from Sooner Standards, Decompose to Build, from Problem to Procedures at Complete Grades 9 to 10, Level 1 Computer Science Unit for Oklahoma Standard L1.AP.M.01. Students learn to decompose a problem into procedures using systematic analysis and design, and explain the parameters and dependencies each procedure requires. Inside a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints, plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 Dalton's Walls of No Prep instruction across 44 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.